in this video we will make the fixture for 15 teams. In the last video you must have seen procedure how to make the fixture for 11 teams. So in this 15 teams we are taking. So number of teams, you have to write all this. Okay, it's very important. If you do not write all this, then you will get half marks if you make only fixture. So number of teams are 15. Then number of byes is always next power of 2 minus number of teams. So next power of 2 is 16 after 15. So 16 minus 15 is only one bye. In this fixture, only one team will get bye. Then number of rounds 2, 4, 8, 16. So only 4 rounds will be played in this tournament. Next, number 4, number of teams in upper half. Number of teams in upper half. So formula, I hope you all remember formula, number of teams. N plus, very easy formula, n plus 1 by 2. Number of teams, n is number of teams. I repeat again, is 15. 15 plus 1 by 2, 16 by 2, and the 8 teams. So there will be 8 teams in the upper half. Number 5, number of teams in lower half is n minus 1 by 2 is equal to number of teams 15 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 14 by 2. Answer is 7. So there will be 7 teams in lower half. Now next is number of byes. Number of byes in upper half is NB. Here, see, I repeat again. When the number of teams in upper half, it is n plus 1. When you take number of byes in upper half, it is just opposite, n minus 1. NB minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0 by 2. Here 0. So since there is only one team is getting bye in this tournament, so in the upper half there is no bye. No teams will be getting byes in upper half. Number 7, number of byes in lower half. Here n plus 1 by 2. Here 1 plus 1 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So only one team will be getting bye in lower half. So I hope it is clear to all of you. You can take the screenshot and note it down in your copy. And because there is no space, so I will make fixture. I will rub this one and I will make fixture. Okay, so first of all we will write down here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So first what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to divide in upper half and lower half. So if you remember how many teams were there in upper half, I think there were 8 teams in upper half. So first of all we will draw a line. I've got the big scale, so I am using it. This is upper half. We will have to write it down here, upper half. And this is here lower half. Lower half. So next is number of byes. So since only one bye we are giving, so in the last video you have seen that how to give buys, in what sequence we are supposed to give buys. So only one buy is there, so whom to give one buy? Yes, correct. Number 15 teams buy. Okay, so only one team in the second half, lower half, number 15 team is getting buy. So now we will start our making of fixture. Okay, as you can see, I have written here first round, second round, third round and fourth round. Okay, you can also draw in the same way. Then you start making this way. You can use scale. See, I always tell the students, when you make fixture, please use scale. Do not use free hand to draw fixtures. It looks very odd. Here first round 1 and 2 is playing, 3 and 4 is playing, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12, 13 and 14. And you must write down the number of sequence of number of matches. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 matches are played in the first round. Next, I will again use scale. Now winner of 1 and 2 and the 3 and 4 is coming out, okay, for second round. Then winner of 5 and 6 is coming out. Winner of 7 and 8 is coming out. Winner of 9 and 10 going to next round. Winner of 11, 12 going to next round. Winner of 13 and 14 going to next round. And since number 15 team got the bye, so number 15 team is going to play directly in the second round with the winner of 13 and 14. So this is second round. So you can see here match number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then this is 8, match number 8, match number 9, match number 10, and this is match number 11. So next round, winner of this match is coming out. Winner of this match is coming out. Winner of this match is going to next round, and the winner of this match is going to next round. So these are the semi-finals. One way, these are the semi-finals. Semi-final 1, semi-final 2. But here sequence of match 11, 12, 13. And then next is final match. Winner of this is match number 14. So this way your fixture is ready this way. As in the last video, as I said, total number of teams -1 is total number of matches in the knockout tournament. So I hope this picture is clear to all of you. Okay. Okay. So knockout fixture of 25 teams. See here the system is little bit different. How come it is different? If number of teams are less, then you go for upper half, lower half, first half, second half. But if the number of teams are more, generally I consider if the number of teams are 20 or more than 20, then we have to make quarters. Okay, there will be upper half, lower half, then the upper half will be divided into two quarters and lower half will be divided into two quarters. So how to divide the quarters? Okay, it's a very simple formula is there. If number of teams like 20, so 5 4s are 20, remainder is 0. So the 5 teams will be divided in 4 quarters. Okay, 5 teams in each quarter, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. Okay, in case if the number of teams are more than 20, like 22, so 5 4s are 20, 2 is remainder, 5 teams in all 4 quarters, 2 teams are left out. In that case, these 2 teams will go to, in the first quarter, 1 team will be added in the first quarter, 5 plus 1, second quarter will remain same, 5 teams, and the third quarter again 1 team will be added up. So we can make the table in this way. So I have prepared the table, and with this table I will try to make you understand how to make quarter wise distribution of teams. So in case if number of teams in the tournament are 20, in this case 20 is very easily can be divided in 4 quarters. So it is 5 teams, 5 and the 5 teams, 22 teams. As I said earlier, 20 teams means here remainder is 2, so 5, 5, 5. So you have got 2 extra team. So where to place 2 extra team? You will place plus 1 team here, plus 1 team here, and second quarter you will not give, third quarter again you will place 1. So 2 teams are divided in first quarter and third quarter. In case there are 23 teams, so then how many teams you have got extra? That means remainder is 3. So 5, 5, 5, 5. In this case, you will give 1 here, plus 1 here, plus 1 here, and then again you will come to second quarter. You will give 1 more team here in the second quarter. Next, 27 teams. 27 teams. 27 teams. That means so 27 teams. So in case if number of teams are 27, then you will place 6 plus 6, 6 and 6. In 4 quarters there are 6 teams. So 6 4s are 24. You have got 3 extra teams again. So plus 1 here. Then third quarter, as I said, plus 1 and the plus 1. So now it is 27 teams. Now if number of teams are 30, 33, then you can take 8, remainder is only 1. So 1 team will be placed here in first quarter. In case if there are 34 teams, so same 32 teams plus 2 extra teams, 2 remainder is there. So 2 remainder will be placed again in the first quarter plus 1 and in the third quarter plus 1. I hope you understood the concept of quarters. First half, second half was clear. Now it is quarter system. If number of teams are more than 20, so you will. So now we have come to know the system of placing the team according to quarters. So we have got 25 teams. Definitely more number of teams are there. So in this way, we are going to divide them quarter wise. So 25 number of teams. Let us write the procedure again. number of teams is equal to 25. Number of rounds is equal to 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So only one round, second round, third, fourth and fifth round. There are 5 rounds. Okay, now here 25 teams are there, so we are going to divide them in 4 quarters. So I am not writing here number of teams in upper half, number of teams in lower half. We will straightway go to see number of teams in the first quarter, number of teams. Okay, sorry, before going to number of teams, I will write here number of buys. Number of buys is total next power of 2 minus number of teams. So 32 minus 25. So is equal to 7 buys. How many buys we are giving? 7 number of buys we are giving here. So number of teams in first quarter, total number of teams are there 25. So number of teams in the first quarter, how many will be there? Number of teams will be in the so number of teams, total number of teams are 25. So if we divide them by 6, so there are 6 teams in the first quarter, first, second, third and fourth quarters, 6 teams each, plus 1 extra team remainder. Okay, so 6. And as we said that in case if 1 remainder is there, so that team will be added up in the first quarter. Plus 1 is equal to 7 teams. Number of teams in first quarter is 7. Number of teams in second quarter is 6. Number of teams in third quarter is 6. Number of teams in fourth quarter is 6. So total 7 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 25 teams. So this way we are going to distribute the teams in 4 quarters. Now number of buys in first half, upper half. Number of buys in upper half, n minus nb minus 1 by 2. Total number of buys are 7. 7 minus 1 by 2, 6, and here 3 buys in the upper half. Number of buys in lower half, nb plus 1 by 2, 7 plus 1. So there are 4 buys will be given in third and fourth quarter. So okay, I am rubbing this one so that I can make the fixture. 25 teams are there. So 25 teams are divided in 4 groups, I mean 4 quarters. There are 13 teams in upper half, lower half 12 teams are there. And as I said, in the first quarter there will be 7 teams, 6 teams, 6 teams and 6 teams. So now next step is to giving them bye. So as we have calculated, we have to give 7 byes in this format. So 7 byes, 4 byes will be given in 4 byes will be given here, from here to here. I mean in lower half. 7 byes will be given as a total, and 4 byes will be given in the lower half. 4 byes, and 3 byes will be given here in upper half. So system here in the lower half, 4 byes, how to give 4 byes in lower half. Here we will not go upper half, lower half and upper half. What we will do here, 4 byes will give here, first by here, then the second by will be given here, third by will be given here, and the fourth by will be given here. So lower half 4 byes are divided in the third quarter and the fourth quarter. Now 3 byes are given in the upper half. So 3 byes will be given here, first by, second by, and the third by. So this way all 7 byes are given. This way all 7 byes are given. Now the first round matches will be played. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 6 and 7, 9 and 10, 11 and 12, 15 and 16, 17 and 18, 21, 22, 23, 24. So first match, second match, third match, fourth, fifth, sixth match, seventh, eighth, ninth. So in the first round, total number of matches are played 9. Now we will start second round. Second round I am using scale, and I expect everyone to use scale. So the first team got the bye, so first team is going to play directly in the second round. Winner of 2-3 is playing with number 1 team. Then the winner of 4-5 and the winner of 6 and 7 is playing here. Winner of 9-10 is playing with number 8 team who got the bye. Winner of 11 and number 12 team and the 13th number team. Then here 14th number team died in the second round, and the winner of 15 and 16. Seventh match was played between 17 and 18 team. The winner of this match will go to second round, and the 19 number teams. Same here, I will not repeat. Okay, so second round. After second round, then winner team will go to third round. Here, winner of this match. Okay, before going to that, this is 9th match. So here this is 10th match. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Then this will be 18th match. Winner of this match and the winner of this match. Winner of this match and the winner of this match. Now winner of this we played here. So this is match number 19, match number 20, match number 21. Then the semi-final, fourth round. And then I use another color. 20, 21, 22, 23, and this is 24 match. As I said, total number of matches are total number of teams minus 1. So here you can see that 24 matches are played in this tournament. And one thing I would like to repeat again, it should be clearly visible. Number of rounds, first round teams are playing here, second round here straight, third, fourth and the fifth round. It should be clearly visible. Number of matches should be written here as I have written here. So with this I hope now concept of making fixture is clear to everybody, but still in case if you have any doubt, you can contact me, you can send me a message, I will definitely give you a response. Thank you so much.